Today we will solve some questions related to exponent and power. Those questions which I have selected for today's class are very important. Not only important, but very interesting as well. Now see, the first question: if x equal to 3 by 2 square into 2 by 3 to the power minus 4, find the value of x minus 2. Okay. Now first of all, x equal to 3 by 2 square into, it is negative, power is negative. So we will make it positive by applying the laws of exponent. Now see, one by 2 by 3, 4. Here we have applied this law. An equal to a minus n. A minus n equal to 1 by a. This application we have applied this here. Now 3 by 2 square. Now this is the numerator, this is the denominator. This denominator will go up. That is 3 by 2 4. Now the bases are same. Now here we will apply this application or laws. That is a to the power m into a to the power n. That means a m plus n. Same here we will apply 3 by 2. When bases are same, power are added. 3 by 2, that means 6. This is the value of x equal to 3 by 2 to the power 6. Now you have to find out this value. Now x minus 2 equal to 3 by 2 to the power 6 minus 2. That means 3 to the power 2 minus 12. Again, we will make it positive. That means 1, 3 by 2, 12 equal to 2 by 3 to the power 12. This is the required answer. This is the second question. 1 by 2 to the power minus 4 into x by y equal to minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 by 5 to the power minus 2. Find the value of x by y minus 2. Okay. The power is, in this case, the power is negative, so we will make it positive. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to the power 4 into x by y equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 divided by 1, 2 by 5. Now it will reverse. That means 2 to the power 4 into x by y equal to, here it is negative, power is even. So on multiplying it will become positive since the power is even number. So we will have 2 by 3 whole square divided by 5 by 2 square. Or we can say 2 by 1 whole 4. Now x by y equal to into 2 by 1 4 being it is division, it will be multiplied. Into x by y equal to, here we are having power and same. In this case we will apply in this way. It will 2 by 3 into 2 by 5 whole square. Equal to A, B, M. Four by 35. 15. Here 2 by 1 4 into x by y. Now x by y equal to 4 by 15 square into 1 by 2 4. 4 square is 16. 15 2 to 5 into 1 by 16. This 16 will be cancelled. That means 1 by 2 to 5. Now x by y equal to 1 by 25. We have to find out this value. So x by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 to 5 minus 2. Equal to, we will make it positive, being it is negative, power is in negative. So यहाँ पे 1 by 2 to 5 square. This is, now it will become 2 to 5 square. 2 to 5 means 15 into 15 whole square. That means 15, no, not like this. We can write this way. Now 15 square, that means 15 to the power 4. This is the solution. Third question. Which is greater, 2 to the power 0 or minus 1 to the power 135? It is very, very easy question. Now, first of all, 2 0. It is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. And minus 1, 135 becomes minus 1. How? Power is 135, that is odd number. And odd number, that is multiplied by minus 1. So it will become minus 1. If it would have been 136, then it will become 1. Since 136 is an even number. Now here it is 135, it is odd number. So it will be minus 1. Now compare now this and this. 1 is greater than minus 1. Positive number is always greater than the negative number. So 20 is greater than minus 1, 130. This is the solution. Now come to the fourth question. The fourth question. What numbers are represented by A and B in the following equation? This is the equation. Now how will you solve it? Very interesting. Now suppose A equal to 2 and B equal to 4. So A 2 to the power 4 equal to B 4A, that means 2. It is 16 equal to 16. Thus, the required respectively. A must be 2 and B must be 4. Now come to the fifth question. This is the fifth question. If 25 to the power x equal to 125 to the power y, then find x is to y. Now very intelligent question also. How? 25, 5 square. 5 square to the power x equal to 5 to the power 3y. Now 5 to the power 2x equal to 5 to the power 3y. We are applying here a m into n equal to a m into n. We have applied this law here. Now, being bases are same, so we can cancel it. So we get 2x equal to 3y, or x by y equal to 3 by 2. Now, x to the power y equal to 3 to the power 2. This is the solution. This is the sixth question. If 4 within bracket 10 by x whole square minus 6 within bracket 10 by x whole square plus 3 within bracket 10 by x square equal to 1, then find the value of x. Now, we will solve in this way. 4 100 divided by x square minus 6 100 divided by x square plus 3 100 divided by x square. X square equal to 1. Now here we will get 400 divided by x square minus 600 divided by x square plus 300 divided by x square equal to 1. Now LCM would be x square. 400 minus 600 plus 300 equal to 1. Now 100 equal to x square. Now okay, this is the value of x. Now come to the next question. This is the seventh question. 2 to the power 20. Here it is 4. We are having 4 times. The same thing is repeating 4 times. So we have nothing to do, only to take common. Now here we are taking common. 2 20. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2 20 into 4. Here base is 2. Now we can make 4 with base 2. 220 into 2, 2. Now applying this method again. A to the power m into a to the power m. So a m plus m. Applying this law. Now we are 220 plus 2. That means 220. This is the required value.